three very special people for you to meet now, but there is one very, very special person I'd like you to meet. So what's your name?
Isabel.
And how old are you?
9.
9. And Isabel has been working with her father, Michael, at Little B Engineering. So, Michael, tell me about the company first and what Isabel's been doing.
Well, she's been using the Nakamura ASL 200L to make a darts holder that she designed herself, which we've then gone on to engrave and drill and mill it on the Quasar.
Wow, okay, so you made a darts holder yourself, and how did you start by doing that? Did you use the computer?
Yes.
And then what were you doing? What else were you doing? So were you, did you get any help from Dad, or did you do it all on your own?
I got a bit of help from Dad.
But you did most of it on your own?
Yeah.
So you do enjoy engineering, is that right? What do you like about it?
It just seems interesting.
It is, and I think you're very, very good at it. I'm sure you're a proud dad. So what has she been up to? When you say she's been designing, working with the CAD-CAM system, is that correct?
Yeah, she's been working with CAD-CAM systems, just generally coming up with concept ideas. We've also been racing karts, not to the point where we're actually racing yet, just testing, which she sees like the general engineering principles in action and having a little bit of fun with it at the same time.
I absolutely love this. And also, as I've always talk about you, Chloe, this is Chloe Reid from ETG. Chloe's probably about 15 years on now from Isabel, and you are coming through the ranks, Chloe. I always talk about how you inspire me. Do you see yourself here? Do you see like a mirror image? Because I know you used to work with, on your granddad's lathes in their garages.
So exactly, it's this exact same mindset, very interested. Earlier we took Isabel around, we had to go on the robot, didn't we? You really enjoyed that. So it's just getting to grips with everything and seeing how interested she is reminds me a lot of myself, and I know you'll go a very long way, very long way.
I totally agree. So we look forward to seeing you, Isabel, in 15 years' time, doing exactly what you're doing at Little B Engineering. Thank you, Michael, Isabel, and Chloe. Thank you.